Okay, it's been 20 minutes. This thing has been at pressure now, with pressure inside the syringe that's pushing on the resin in that little holder, which is pressing resin into the glass. Let's take a peek at what the glass looks like inside the car here now. Oh, there's a dot. And I can't tell. Not enough light in here. Doesn't look great, but too late now. So it's time to take that stuff off of there and put the patch on for the curing process. So let's get the camera situated for that part of the video. There it is. Okay, so I'm pulling off this syringe. There was a little puff when it came off. And I'm gonna try and pull off this thing here. They have these tabs for pulling it off. I'm going to use my needle nose pliers and pull it off with these pliers here. Right like that. I'm going to pull the whole thing off. One grab. It's off and down comes the resin. So I got to get a towel real quick. Okay. That's why people said put a towel underneath this thing, because it makes a mess. Okay. And looks like I didn't get the whole thing off. With that trick of mine, I ripped off the tab, but this is still on here, and the resin is still really wet. Okay, this is coming off now. There it is. I'm going to put the curing patch on now. Since there's so much resin on there, I'm just going to put this patch on and wiggle it around a bit. There's the patch. I want to get enough on here that it's completely covered. I'm going to add a little more resin to the patch, like people said to do. If I can get this back off again. Actually, that's probably fine, like that. I can see where it's covering the whole crack, so that's okay. Let's show you what happened here. So what's good is that whole thing isn't glued on, and I can get a grip on it. You can see here's the crack right here, and I got a crack that comes out this way. So I got resin on that. I got resin all the way covering the thing, and I get my fingers on here to get it off later. Okay, now I'm going to take the car out to the sunlight for half an hour and let it sit in the sun. As you can see, it's sunny out there. Okay. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Watch out for rocks bouncing around on the road.